Hello, people. Oh, whoops. Okay. So, I just came back from the funnest thing ever. I went to, this parade where we were in a car with the Mizzous on it, and we were playing we were in a van, and there was really, really high, music, and I was like, boy! No, I wasn't like that. But the music was so loud, my eardrums, broke. I don't even know. But it was really loud. So, life. Alright. So we were, playing the music, and we were saying, Happy Holiday! And the music was so loud, and we were honking that the whole neighborhood just ran outside, and they were videotaping us, and they were like, hi, and waving, and the cars were waving, and some of the cars were like, you crazy girl, you crazy people. And then we ate, and I'm still hungry. But remember that mermaid slime that happened? Yeah. So remember that mermaid slime? Okay, got it this time. Those were all bloopers of me trying to saying what I'm trying to. Okay, so those were all. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? Okay, so these are bloopers, the ones that I just made, and the other ones are bloopers. So these are bloopers that happened when I was trying to say my lines, but I got it this time. So, remember that mermaid slime that I made in my last video? So, guess what? And you know how it was, awful? So, I kept it in the solution, and my brother, and I was doing my homework. So, when I looked back, the solution dissolved. Dissolved. Which means the mermaid slime is crazy awesome. So after the solution dissolved. Oh my god, I'm done. Alright, after the solution dissolved, I looked at the slime, and it was I was surprised. It was gorgeous. It worked. Look, seriously, look. Now, here, give me a second. Look at this. Boy, bruh. Look at this. It's so beautiful. And I put so many pearls inside, and it's really sparkly. And it actually turned out good. My mom's at a wedding right now. Okay. My mom's at a wedding right now. And, yeah. Oh man, a bead fell out. Blooper. What's this for? Not giving up. Ah, come on. Okay, how about I just show you the good slime? Okay, so that was the pretty slime. This is the pretty slime. That isn't a really good slime. And here's the most ugly slime you could ever see. It literally looks like a huge booger. I don't know. But my mom actually made this because I tried to make it and it turned into glue slime. But blooper! And now for the good slime that works really well, but is really ugly. It looks like a huge booger. Here it is. It works really well though. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm gonna do this thing where you guys have to, where I'm going to see what's the better slime. So this is, as you can see, really pretty. I'm gonna just tuck everything in so it won't fall out. So here's the first slime. I'm gonna do this thing where we see which slime's better. Beautiful slime. Next, satisfying slime that works really well. Here is the fluffy slime. Not that fluffy, but well, it doesn't look fluffy on camera, but if you were here right now, then you would be like, man, this is fluffy slime. Just trust me. It's fluffy slime. I have another slime that's really fluffy. Well, I lost most of it, but so here are the two slimes. I want you guys to comment down below which slime you think is better. The pretty slime, the ugly slime. The pretty slime, the ugly slime, the really good working slime, the awful working slime. Which one do you think is better? Peace out. Oh wait, I forgot to say bye. Oh yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and slime out.